Hi, I'm here from the United States, from the Boston area. I've been suffering with knee pain for about a year now. I've gone through several visits with doctors, blood work, x-rays. Nothing was working. I came here. I'm here with Pedro from Medical Travel Colombia. He helped me get an appointment with Dr. Anderson, and he removed a bunch of fluid, gave me an injection of
Hialuronato de sodio, ácido hialurónico.
that.
Okay.
And so far, it's amazing, brilliant. I can't believe how much better I feel today, just from one visit.
Thank you. You're welcome.